Hi, I'm Rob and here's 3 things that we love about this Samsung wireless rear speaker kit. It fills your room with rich dynamic sound, provides a clutter-free connection to your soundbar, and its sound can be adjusted using the Smartthings app. You'll be able to feel all the action around you whilst watching the latest action film as a result of its advanced 360-degree audio, filling your living room with complementary explosive and dynamic sound. You won't have to worry about wires cluttering your living room either, due to its wireless connectivity, allowing it to connect to your Samsung soundbar automatically, preventing a possible trip hazard. It also gives you control of how loud you want your sound to be, without having to reach for the speaker unit, thanks to its handy Smartthings connectivity, granting you access to volume control and equalizer balancing. If you'd like to find out more, visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of us on Shop Live.